As you may know, the advancements in embedded vision technology have led to the rise of modern microscopic devices that offer unmatched precision and accuracy. But even today, these devices continue to face several camera related challenges. Hello, folks. I'm Bharat, Market Manager for Medical Division at Econ Systems. I'm thrilled to invite you to our upcoming webinar called 5 Major Imaging Challenges in Microscopy and How to Avoid Them. This live webinar will take place on August 17th between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. PST. Joining me will be Balaji, a business unit head. He has worked closely with several customers to successfully integrate bright camera into their cutting-edge microscopes. In this webinar, you will learn how imaging challenges like artifacts can affect the performance of your microscopic devices. But here's where it gets exciting. We'll give you expert tip on finding right camera solution to counter these problems. Moreover, we'll also be hosting a Q&A session where you can clarify all your doubts. Remember, this webinar is scheduled for August 17th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. PST. Reserve your spot today and prepare to gain an expert understanding on how to overcome the imaging challenges in microscopic devices. We really look forward to your virtual presence. See you at the webinar, folks.